We see a lot of GDI vehicles coming to the shop. In fact, today we have a 2015 Ford Fusion with a GDI EcoBoost engine. In as little as 1,000 miles, carbon deposits build up on the intake valves. If left untreated, around 20,000 miles, the carbon deposits will build up enough to rob the vehicle of horsepower and torque. The deposits not only cause a loss of power, but they hurt the fuel mileage and cause the engine to run rough. Years ago, we'd recommend a full engine teardown and a walnut shell blast cleaning. But that costs a lot of money, and sometimes the customer can't justify that on an older vehicle. CRC, GDI, IVD, intake valve, and turbo cleaner gives us an affordable solution for our customers. For a fraction of the cost of an engine teardown and cleaning, we can clean the valves in about an hour. CRC, GDI, IVD, intake valve, and turbo cleaner is an aerosol spray that we can spray into the intake or throttle body of the vehicle right onto the back of the valves. In just one application, we can remove up to 50% of the carbon in about an hour. And then, as you drive, more of the carbon is dissolved. In conventional engines, gasoline comes in through the intake, and the additives in the gasoline clean the carbon off the back of the valves as it washes over them. In GDI engines, carbon builds up on the back of the intake valves because gasoline bypasses the valves altogether and is directly injected into the cylinder. This makes the engine more efficient, but you lose the cleaning action of the gasoline. CRC, GDI, IVD, intake valve, and turbo cleaner does the cleaning work in GDI engines that gasoline does in conventional engines. It's easy to use, but be careful, do not spray it directly onto the vehicle's mass airflow sensor. If you have a turbo GDI engine, you can use it the same way to clean the turbine, the housing, and the wastegate. If a vehicle comes in with a severe carbon buildup, we'll do a treatment and recommend they come back in 1,000 miles for a second treatment. We use it on standard fuel injection and carbureted engines when they have carbon buildup as well. It's great stuff.